Make money online, copy and paste images. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make passive income, copy and paste images. I also going to show you the platforms, not one, more than one platforms going to pay you money for that. Before we get into the video, guys, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share, press the bell icon, leave a comment, I like this video, and like this video if you want to win a £10 PayPal money. So let's get into the video, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you this YouTube channels are making copy and paste images. They're making before and after images videos, and those videos are getting views and they get paid for that. Some of the videos are old, some of them are new. Here you can see this is one of the YouTube channels have over 900,000 subscribers nearly, and they have a 93 upload, and you can see they are making around $100,000 per month and $700 something like that in every single day. Now if you go to their page here, you can see on average they are getting around 250,000 views every single day. Only 93 uploaded. They uploaded here. You can see before and after videos, like the actors in 2014 and 2020, like 6 years in difference, something like that. Now people will say, oh, you can't do that, YouTube won't allow that, you can't monetize the videos on YouTube because it's only image and text, so it is not qualified for the monetization. And I'm going to show you yes and no. In main thing, YouTube monetization policy, if you upload a mature content, or you know, the content that violate their policies, that you can't be monetized those videos. But videos like that, text to speech, you know, the videos that have a text overlays, people are saying not monetized, but other people are saying yes. So it's 50-50 chance that you can get monetized, maybe not. But that's why I said watch this video until the end. I'm going to show other platforms and other methods that you can make money by copy and paste images. So treat this as a business, not like a one gig that you expect to make a couple of thousand and overnight. It won't happen. Treat this as a business and you can succeed in the future, guys. So this is the way that you can make money, copy and paste. You can see this is one of their videos. If you open this video, you see inside there's no link for affiliate marketing, there's no link for merch, just they upload the videos. If they are not get monetized, they are not going to upload any videos. People are still doing that. So I'm going to show you the first thing. We can use YouTube as a first platform. Even though you are not going to get monetized on YouTube, other platforms which I'm going to show you the other method that you can apply the same thing and you can make money from it, guys. So first thing what you have to do, before I show everything, first we go ahead and create videos. For that you need to come up with the topic idea. Just you can go ahead and copy their detail because they have the subscribers, because they whatever the video they make, they're gonna get around 100 to 200,000 initial views because of 900,000 subscribers. So don't just go there and make a random video if you are new or the beginners, or if you're starting new YouTube channel. First what you have to do, go to YouTube, open in private window, so that give a new look on your YouTube. So it's not for specific for general YouTube. So under that, go to trending and find the topic that you want to create a video on. So if you come down here, you can see they are the top creators trending. So you can make a video on YouTube creator before and after, say for example 10 years periods, what looked like in a Mr. Beast in 10 years ago, 2010 and 2020, something like that. But here I want to go with this one. I'm a big Marvel fan. The new trailer for WandaVision is released. So what I come up with the idea, what is the Marvel superheroes look like on comic and in the movies, something like that. So because this is the trending and getting over 7 million views, you can just tap into that videos and get some of the view, because when you made the videos, you're going to trend in for a couple of days. After that it will go down, so you can just catch those views. So I'll come up with what is Marvel comic character look in the comics and in the movie. So I just went to Google and download, for example, the image of Vision and the in comics and in the movie. So for example, this is the image we're gonna use here. Before I show the image, this is the software which you're gonna use to make this slideshow. It's called rabbit.com, where you can make collages and everything. You can see different formats. You can add 3 images in one frame. You can see a vertical, horizontal images. So we're gonna select this one, 2 images. So this is the first image we're gonna add here. So just go over to Google and find this image. This is the vision in the comic, and this is the second image you can upload. For this video I keep this simple because you don't have to spend many times on explaining these tutorials. Basic copy and paste images, guys. Just copy that image and paste it on revit.com. You can see, double click that, and okay, it's not like that. Click the frame that you want and click drag and drop it here, and you can see that's it done. You can say a vision on comics here and vision on the movie, something like that. You can, if you want, you can a little bit zoom in like that, click done, and download that image into your email account. Once you did that, use any video editing software, combine together, let them run for 10 seconds per slide, so you can create up to 60 slides for something like a 6 minutes video, something like that. You come over, you arrange the time for each slide to make around 4 to 6 minutes video, guys. So you come up with the topic and you create the videos, and you then what you do, create a YouTube channels and upload the YouTube video to there. And again, remember that when you're starting a new YouTube account, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time in order to get monetized on that. You can upload the content here. And now the people can ask, even though I upload it on YouTube, you are not guaranteed that you can make money on YouTube. Yes, like I said, it's a 50-50 chance, but there's other way that you can make the same money from other than YouTube. Upload the same video on YouTube, and again, copy that video and upload it on Facebook. On Facebook, create a specific page for your video. So for example, if you go to Facebook and type 5 minutes graph, this is the YouTube channel have millions of subscribers on YouTube, and you can see they have around 92 million people like this, follow this page, and around you can see around 65 million people like this page, guys, and they are making money from Facebook with the 3 to 4 minutes video, guys. If you can upload content, if you create a content like this one, not 5 minutes graph, like I said, slideshow videos, and upload it into YouTube at the same time, upload it into Facebook, that you can make money from it. So you can see they make money like YouTube in-stream app, they are called. They played, I think it's before the video or in the middle of the video, and they can pay for that. You can see these videos are only 3-4 minutes long, and they are making money every single day. There you can see that's why they have millions of followers on that. So I have a couple of pages. You can see this is called Facebook Creator Studio. When you create the page, that you can go and create a Facebook, it will automatically add it into Facebook Creator Studio because it's belong to Facebook Studio. You can see for one of my, in order to get qualified for that, each page must have 10,000 followers and 30,000 1-minute views from 3 minutes videos in the last 60 days. So if you upload any videos, that video must have a 1 minute watched in the 3 minutes video or more for 30,000 views, guys. 30,000 times they watch 1 minute of the video, and 10,000 followers. If your page had that, you are eligible for monetization. Like I said, if you are uploading a video to YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch time. That is hard to get, and on Facebook that easy to get these things. What you have to do now, upload content, say 1 or 2 videos per day, because these videos are going to take you less than 1 hour to create, guys. Upload this video on Facebook and YouTube. What you do on Facebook, you can boost your videos. So when you upload a content to your Facebook, and there's in the bottom section called boost this video. So for example, you upload 10 to 20 videos there, leave it for 15 to 20 days, come back after that and see which videos is getting more engagement. That means more views than others. That means that video is organically getting more views. So what you do, click boost that video. Facebook then boost that video. You have to pay for it, and if you can spend like $2 per day or $50 to $100 per day. If you have that kind of money, then you can get more engagement, more views, more likes, more followers, and you can achieve that monetization mark easily, guys. This is how most of the people doing. They upload the video to Facebook, just boost that couple of those videos, then you can get that 10,000 watched, 10,000 followers. I think it's 10,000 followers, isn't it? Yeah, 10,000 followers, and that watched minutes in 60 days easily. So if I can show one of my page here, you can see these are page for eligible for monetization. That means they're approved for, you know, I can do live stream there, and if the people pay me that, I can get that money. But for in-stream ad, it's not available at the moment. So if I can click this one called monetization tool, this is for my YouTube channel. So there's another page here. This one, it had a good, is growing now good. So you can click this one and see the in-stream is not made yet. So view criteria, it will show on 10,000 followers I only made 4% of that. I think it's around 120 something like that followers on that. And on 1 minute view for 3 minutes videos, I only achieved 1% in 60 days. It won't happen without followers, guys. So you can boost those videos on Facebook, spending little bit of your money, but you can make $3,000 to $4,000 from Facebook, like YouTube money, guys, by uploading videos on Facebook. Now, other than that, what you can do is upload these same videos, like these videos, because it's 3 to 4 minutes videos you're going to create, and you see some of the videos are more than 11 minutes, 10 minutes long, but some of them are 6 and 2 minutes long. So if you upload these videos on social media like Instagram and TikTok and Snapchat, you can grow your own fan base there. Even in TikTok, you can grow more fan base by uploading those videos, because video convert better than articles. So people will watch videos rather than reading articles. So you upload those videos. Yes, you can't make money by on those platforms, but there's a way that you can make money. I'm gonna show you now. What you do, build the fan base there. For example, if you upload videos every single day on TikTok, you can easily get 10,000, 20,000 followers there. Now you can create your own merch and upload those merch on Redbubble or Amazon merch or Teespring. Then you can promote that link with them so that people can come and buy the merch. You can make commission from that. So like I said in the beginning of the videos, treat this each method as a business, because don't expect to make money overnight. It won't happen. But if you do it continuously, one door will open. That's why I say one stone, two mango. Like you create one video, upload all these platforms. If YouTube is not giving monetization, you can make money on Facebook because slideshow, there's no there's a policy on Facebook that if you upload mature contents, those content that violate or YouTube policies, those same videos won't be monetized on Facebook either. But these videos are easily get monetized because Facebook want to keep the viewers inside the Facebook. So if you upload engagement content like this, Facebook will promote your contents and you can make money from in-stream ad on Facebook. That's the main thing. And the second, if you upload the same videos onto other social media, you can make money by selling your merch or your product, whatever, guys. Like I said, treat this as a business. New idea will pop up and you can make money. Like I said, it's a passive, also it's an active passive income where you have to upload content. Your old content make you money. At the same time, you need to upload new content, keep your viewers and subscribers to engage every single day, so you can grow your fan base, make money by selling your own merches, or you can make money in-stream ad using Facebook. If you luckily get qualified for monetization in YouTube, then you can make good money from Facebook. Thanks guys for watching. I hope this information will help you guys. If you really like this video, leave a like, comment, say I like this video, put your paper letters. When this video hit 100 like, I will do the giveaway. And if you really want to do something on your free time, try this method, because you're going to take less than 1 hour to do. Then you can grow your fan pages in multiple platforms, guys. And have a good day. See you in the next video.